In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a brand new Vite project with Vue.js and even Tailwind CSS support. Vite.js is a fast and modern build tool for web applications. It optimizes development by serving JavaScript.
Vite.
By using Vite, you can save a ton of time in development. First, install a fresh project by using npm. Give it a name of your choice. Select Vue.js as your front-end framework and either use JavaScript or TypeScript. I use TypeScript. Change into your project directory and install. Now the project can be run by using the run dev directive. Copy the address and paste it in your browser. As you can see, it's running perfectly fine. So next we open the project in VS Code. It is already sorted nicely into a folder structure, and if you edit a file, the result is updated after saving. Now we will add Tailwind. Navigate to the Tailwind CSS site and open the installation guide for Vite. Don't forget to use the View tab. Copy the installation commands and paste them into your terminal. After installation, we need to edit the tailwind.config file. Edit the content property and add the copied file selectors. Last but not least, we need to add the Tailwind directives to our main CSS file. This will break some of the Vite CSS code, but let's just ignore that. To test if everything is working properly, we will add an input field to our template. Something like this should suffice. Alright, now you can style your components very easily by using Tailwind. Next we add a reference in Vue and connect it to our input field. Use the vModel attribute for automatic updates to our reference. Now, the typed value can be used in our application, and we can, for example, connect it to a text on our website. And that's how you set up a modern web development environment. See you next time!